Hello everyone, how you guys doing? I hope you guys make money. As I always say, we're gonna do a live trade today. Sorry for the late. Okay, as you can see right now, the market is bearish. Look, it's below MA 500. I mean MA 200 and MACD cross and RSI stock RSI cross and RSI below. So what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna do option put. Today we're gonna do option put. Okay, and then we're gonna set it for 20%. As you can see, I bought the 6055 option put and I bought for 105 and I sold it for 102. I bought for 102 and I sold for 122. Okay, if you go to the 3 minutes, you can see clearly right here. Okay, as we can see, this is a cross. So I put SP 500. I bought for 655 option put. I bought it for 102 and I sold for 122. That was a quick 20%. Like I said, every day is gonna be different news. Every day is gonna be different opportunity, and every day is gonna be different type of money to make. Um, um, Again, those are the three things I look at. I'm looking at the EMA 200 is the price is above or below EMA 200. Okay, if it's above EMA 200, and then it's most likely option call. The second thing, look at the MACD. If the MACD is a cross above it, if MACD is cross above it, and the price is above EMA 200, that's mean most likely option call. And the third point is S stock SI. Also, if it cross also the RSI MACD cross, stock SI cross, RSI cross, the three or in a year above VMA 200 is gonna be option call. Okay, and again, I'm saying also if it's a below EMA 200 and MACD cross down, stochastic cross down, RSI cross down is option put. This is how I managed to make the 20%. Yesterday I made the 20% option call on Tesla, and today I make 20% in MS in SP 500 and 20%. See, right now SP 500 is down. See, right now it's also is down. If you bought right here at 428 and you went all the way to 424, you most likely make about 20% as well and higher. SP 500 and he went from if I beheld, I probably make 60% because he went from 657 to all the way to 655. If I've held, I probably make 60%, but again I'm doing 20% daily, so basically that's how you see I make 20%. So basically I achieved my goal for today, which is a 20%. I'm not mad because the market is madness right now, so I'm glad I secured profit. So basically this I make profit every day, 20%. Like I said, you don't need to be an expert, you don't need to do all that. All I need to do is a 20% of your portfolio, 20% daily, and a month you get 10x. If you put $200 today, and a month is gonna be 2,000. If you put 2,000 and a month is gonna be 20,000, if you put 20,000 and a month is gonna be 200,000, and so on and so forth. Take it slow, okay? No rush. Just take your money. It's your money. Enjoy it, okay? Make profit every single day, okay? Don't worry about what's the you have to listen to the market eventually, because the market is a footprint on how you're gonna invest or put money. Listen to the market and then listen to the news. Pay attention to those things. Once you pay attention to those things, this is what's gonna happen. You're gonna know if you're gonna do bullish on today or bearish on tomorrow, okay? Those are two things: bullish today or bearish. This is why you look at the news. If the news says bad news, for example, the job report today, you know it's gonna be bearish. So what you do? You do option put. Okay. If, for example, tomorrow you see that is bullish, is it good news? So you do option call. Okay. And on top of that, you look at the graph, which is above, if it's above EMA 200, is the price above EMA 200 is most likely bullish, but you got to know three characteristics. MACD has to be crossed over the signal line, stock has to be crossed over the signal line, us has to be crossed over. When those four meet, you do option call, boom, and now 20%, boom. And same thing for the option put. Option put, the three has to make as well. Option put is gonna be below EMA 200, like you can see. MACD cross down, stochastic cross down, and then RSI cross down. You go in option put, boom, and then so you know you out. Okay, this is simple as that. As you can see, also option put, you see 65 over there. As you can see is already 160. Okay, if I have a hell, I probably make 60%. But I sold it for 120, 22. So basically I made 20% and then I'm out. Regardless, you make 100%. All you gotta do worry about your 20%. This is your start. 20%. That's it. And the market will do the rest. And you done. You can see I'm talking to you right now. It's less than 10 minutes. I'm already secure profit and I'm out. Okay? That's how simple it is. No hush or groove or stuff like that. It's simple as this. Okay, those four things have to be met. When those four things met, you set up your buy and then you set up your sell. If you buy for $100, you set for 120, boom, you're out. Most likely the market gonna correct later on, but it doesn't matter because your 20% is always guaranteed. Because at the end of the day, the market, those four is always gonna hit your target. And here's what happened: unless after the cross there's some major news happen, that's all it is. And between those major news, is the major news is not happening right after the cross, is you're gonna secure the profit. Is the news happen right after the cross, but at the meantime, if there's no news, the market gonna keep going, follow those indicators, and it's you secure profit. And thank you guys for watching. Once again, if you like my video, thumbs up. If you have any question down the video, if you are a new trader, let me know. If you're an investor, let me know. And give me a like, and thank you for guys for watching. I'll see you guys next one.